Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our previous video, we have defined some basic concepts about asynchronous programming like async keyword and await keyword. In this video, I am going to talk about how to use tasks in C Sharp. Okay, so tasks are a fundamental part of the asynchronous programming as we already give some basic intro in our previous video. The task make it easier to perform operations without blocking your main thread of the application. Okay, so a task in C sharp represents an asynchronous operation as I already said, and it is the part of the TPL, the task parallel library in C sharp, and provides a simple way to run code concurrently. Okay, now I will create here a task and I will show you how to run this task. So let's me directly jump towards the uh, development environment. Okay, now here is the Visual Studio, and on the right side I have the output, I mean the console. So we will see the output of this program inside the console window. Okay, now here I will just create a task. Okay, and let me give a name to this task. Okay, and then I will run this task using this way. Okay, and then let me first set the syntax. Okay, now it is the syntax control key to format the document. Okay, now I will just you can see that it is if I just go to the definition, no, it's coming from the system.staging.task namespace. Okay, no, I am just running a task here. No, you can assign any task. No, I will just use a loop. Okay, and I will run this loop if I value is less than 5 until. Okay, and inside the loop I will just print a simple message to the console. Okay, no, let me put here a dollar sign so that I also show you the I value. Okay, task running, and let me put here the I value of each iteration. For example, if I is equal to 0, 0 will be printed. If I becomes 1, 2, 3, and these all messages will be printed to the console. Okay, and now let's me add some delay for the task. Sorry guys, there is coming some kind of voice, so I just pausing the video and to make the sound correct, and then I will come again. Okay, now I will put here some delay. Let's suppose for half second, and then I will wait. Okay, now I just define a task here, and I am running the task. And what I will run, I will let's control KT to format the document, and I'm just running a very simple for loop. And here, now in the next line, let's me copy the name of the task, and I will wait for the start task until complete. Okay, and after this, um, I will just print a message to the console, task completed. Okay, now let's me put here a debugger so that we can see how our program is behaving. Okay, next line, and its task is running. You can see it printed 1 to from 0 to 4. I mean the iteration goes for 5 times. Okay, and no or program is completed. Now if I add here some delay for example 4 seconds. Okay, now I will run the application without debugging. So let's we see the output inside the console. 0, delay for 4 second next, delay for 4 second next due to this line, delay for 4 minutes, delay for 4 seconds again, and boom, our program is completed. Okay, now we are basically using like in this way the task. So you have to use the task inside the system.threading namespace, and then you can run any task. Now inside this you can call a function, you can perform your operation, you can do anything. Okay, now I just write a for loop, and inside the for loop I'm just waiting for 4 seconds, and then the next iteration, and then I wait for 4 seconds, and then the next iteration. And here uh, I copy this one because my task name is task. I can give any name, and then I'm just waiting for the task to complete. Okay. Now, uh, from this task, I was not returning any. Okay, sorry guys for the interruption. No, I was no, from I was telling about that I am not returning anything here from this task. No, I will show you how to return something from the task. Now let's me modify here because I will return integer. Now let's me put here the integer. Okay, and as you can see it directly giving me the error. Now I have to return something. Now let's me put here a variable int num is equal to 0. Okay, and then I will return here the variable return num. Okay, and let's me also increment the value of the. I will return the loop for 10 times, and I will return the number, and here I will num is equal to num plus I. Okay, now here from this task, as you can see, I am returning an integer value. If you want to return a string, then you have obviously to return the string from the task. You can also call here some other function, and then you can return the output of the function from this task. Okay, now how can I access the output of this task? Now let's me remove this line of code, and I have to show you the output to the console. Now let's remove some. Okay, like in this way. Task, my task name. Let me give some other name. Task first. Okay, so that things are clear. Task first mm, dot result. Okay, and uh, I mean printing the output to the console. Now instead of directly giving the task dot result, let's me assign the value to some variable. Result is equal to task dot result, and then I will print here console. Now in this application, in this code, basically you can see I just define here a task. The task return type is integer, and I am running the task like in this way. And then uh, if I don't return anything, it will give me the compile time error. Control S, it give me the error. You can see uh, cannot implicit convert system task to system to integer and implicit convert. It's missing that the message showing that I have to return some to return some value of the same type of the task inside the inside this block. Okay, and then I just get the result from the task like in this way. So to get the result from the task, you have to use the task name and the result, and I get the result here, and I'm just printing the result to the console. Okay, now let's me run the application so that we can see the actual output inside the console. The sum is 45 because I run okay, whether it should be 45. Hmm. Okay, now let's me put here again the debugger, not here, sorry, here. Okay, now let's me run the application again. Now it become 15, 21. It's 21 and I value is equal to 7. Okay, and it become 28. Okay, okay, the output is correct because I value become 8 and then 9 and I am adding in the existing one. So I was a little, I mean, not sure about the output. So I will continue, and here you can see the output is 45. Okay, and I will print the output to the console. Now I show you here in this video two examples. The task to run without returning anything, and the task in C sharp to return some value like here in this example. Okay, now in the next video I will also show you how to handle the exceptions in asynchronous programming, I mean the task-based programming. So task in C sharp, provides a powerful way to run operations asynchronously, helping to keep your application very, very responsive. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel to share this video. See you next time with a new topic: how to handle exceptions in C sharp asynchronous programming. Thank you for watching the video.